How to delete TikTok account. To delete a TikTok account, tap on the Me icon from the bottom. Here, on the profile page, tap on the three dots menu from the top right. Tap on Manage my account. Now tap Delete account. You will need to verify your account to delete your account. Tap Verify and continue. It might ask you for your password. Tap on the account from Google that is linked with your TikTok account. Here, you will need to confirm that you wish your account to be deleted. Please note that your account will be deactivated for 30 days. If you do not reactivate your account back after 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. Tap on Delete account. Your account is now deactivated and will be deleted in 30 days. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.